back to the channel. The other day I was watching Watch JR Go, and he was restoring his headlights with several different products. The best product that he found to restore headlights was turtle wax. So I'm going to put it to the test on my daughter's car. If you're not up to speed on that, let me give you a little background on her car.
All right, this is the car that saved my daughter's life. Chewed up, windshield's broken, the hood is dented in because she landed on her top, the door's crushed, but it's running. I guess I'm gonna pay the man and get this thing back on the road one more time. This car is near indestructible, so I'm going for it. I'm gonna let it sit here and idle. As long as it doesn't overheat, then I'm gonna drive it home. Good times. Okay, here's the inside windshield. Okay, you get better. That is cracked because the roof is smashed in, so it popped the windshield. Not even a check engine light on this car. So my dad in me will not let me give up on this car. I hate to say it, but he would drive the snot out of a car and then drive another, 20,000 miles past that. So I'm going to take this car home. I have to save my daughter's life. Okay, so now we picked up the car from the tow lot and put some power steering fluid in it, some trans fluid in it, and I'm driving it home an hour and a half. If she makes it home, she's gonna get a new windshield, new driver's door, new front bumper cover, and I'll be driving this car back and forth to work. So I'll update you on the progress. Thankful that my daughter made it out of that accident alive. So to get things started, my sister gave me this. First of all, it's a creeper, but then if you pull the pin, comes a stool. That is my favorite gift that my sister ever got. And here we go. Restoration time. Spray lubricant, lens clarifying compound, sealing wipe, lens base coat wipe, whatever that means. Alright. More prizes by Cracker Jack. Now serving in the cafeteria, pizza bread. Wash headlight lens to remove surface dirt. There you go. Tip, use masking tape to protect surrounding nasty paint. Apply lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth. And rub over entire lens using firm pressure. Buff with a clean terry cloth. Restore only one lens at a time. Totally not following directions. Not a cotton cloth shop towel. Ooh, that is rough. Hey, that was quick. So there's the finished result. It's just as advertised. Turtle wax, lens restorer, worked perfectly. JR recommended, Winged Horse Garage approved. Okay, so the moral of this story is if you got a kid going off to college and you need some cheap, reliable transportation that's going to keep them safe, get a 2000 to 2006 Nissan Altima. You can't go wrong. Great gas mileage. Starts every time in the winter, and they keep them safe. So let me tell you, if your daughter's going off to college and you're looking for a college car, so if you're good, here's your Fiero. I'm going to restore the headlights. Any questions? Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, and we'll talk to you next time. Remember, here at Winged Horse Garage, we're all about Fieros, and we're keeping the 80s alive, one Fiero at a time.